I can't contain my love for you. I wouldn't mind fighting for you, for you. I get it now, I get the strength. I'm so ashamed, don't you see? I'm sorry. Yes, I'm sorry. And now I know that to get insulted and fight for love, loving that I like it. Yes, I like it. And when you lie by my side, your love keeps us warm inside. So when I ask how it's like, and yet it comes and all is true, and nothing's what it seems, nothing. And no one doubts and no one shams the fearful love is gonna at last. I like it. Something disappear, my face is dry with tears, and now you keep on trying, try, and you say why?